how can you be that much better and be beating people with that much ease?
One of my greatest strengths was the ability to not ease up, and I think that was probably where I was able to slaughter people.
Oh, no.
With his skill at the swerve, he thinks I'll get it.
That's it. Well, they were applauding the combination.
Position has got to be got by topping it through.
Yeah, he had to play that, Sid. That was a shot to nothing, but we know what Efren's like.
Bottom left. Anywhere he likes. Well, we couldn't quite see.
Mabuhay pool fans around the world. I'm Efren Reyes, and I invite you to join me in this epic showdown. Today, I matched up against one of the greatest snooker players the world has ever seen. He reached 8 World Snooker Championship finals in 9 years, winning 6 world titles and held the world #1 ranking for 7 consecutive seasons. Representing London, England, it's the pride of snooker, Steve Davis.
He is one of snooker's greats, the ultimate ambassador for his sport, 6 times a world champion, 6 times a UK champion. Now he's simply a legend, Steve Davis.
Thank you. Some of these products work quite quickly.
It's the most famous name in the game. It's the magician, Efren Reyes.
Well, maybe I get lucky. This match marks the finals of the 2001 World Pool League, where after 3 intense days of competition, it's down to just Steve Davis and me. I broke dry in this rack, so Steve Davis will have the first opportunity at the table. Unfortunately here, he hooked himself behind the 4 ball. He went for the 1 rail kick, but did not make legal contact. I will now have ball in hand and try to clear this rack. In this stage of the tournament, I need to stay sharp and focus in every shot.
There's been brilliant play, there's been golden breaks.
A single mistake here can cost me the match.
Tonsils are battering, trying to keep tabs on these brilliant plays. 7.
Playing this with right hand side, Sid. Lots of side to run across the side rail.
Pool fans, I'd really appreciate it if you could click the like button on this video so more people can enjoy my matches across YouTube. Thanks so much. I love you all. Luckily, I scored first in this match. Let's now proceed to rack 2.
Into the pack.
Steve Davis makes a really good break here, potting 2 balls.
Rattle shutter. Right 3. Zigamy.
Pink 4.
He will also have an open table layout here. Let's see if he can run out. Outside of snooker, Davis has competed in 9-ball pool tournaments.
Major.
Most notably representing Europe in the Mosconi Cup for 11 consecutive years from 1994 to 2004. So even though snooker is his specialty, I won't let my guard down. This man is also a beast in 9-ball pool.
Perfect on this 9.
And Steve Davis makes a statement with a perfect break and run out. This match is going to be thrilling.
He's well back in the game.
Let's now move on to rack 7. I played very well and is leading 4 racks to 2. I had a really strong break, sinking 4 balls, but I might have to play a safety on the 2 ball here.
On the right hand side.
He's played the safety.
I could have gone for the bank shot,
He's left him side
but
2 ball.
at this stage, I need to be cautious and avoid forcing aggressive shots.
To mind comes quickly the epic battle in Cardiff in the middle of 2000. Davis was
Dear pool fans and subscribers, please comment and let me know which country you're tuning in from.
came back from 8-2. So no wonder. The maestro respect.
It's always fun to see how far this video has reached. Thank you very much.
Send it in.
Very good shot.
I went for an aggressive cut shot on the 2 ball, but now I might have to pay the price as I've tragically missed it.
Out of the pocket. And you to the white. Good down to 4-3. Into the cush again. Running
I should never get too confident against Steve Davis because this man is a freaking legend too.
Perfect on the 9 ball.
4-3.
And the English player has capitalized on my mistake and is now only trailing by 1 rack. I definitely need to settle down and refocus in the next one.
The crisp school marmalade tunes.
Here we go, and let's dive into rack 8. Steve Davis had a dry break here.
It's right wood. Get position on the blue 2.
Made that look easy. Round off the 2 rails. Prime position again.
Now is my time to take advantage, put that last rack behind me, and move on.
As well. That's the key factor in working out how he's going to play it to the orange.
That's right, Sid.
In my many years of playing, one key lesson I've learned is the importance of mental attitude.
And that's the position he's in. Off the side cushion. Draw the ball back down the table. Didn't plan that, but I think he might have got away with it.
I believe it's one of the biggest factors in achieving success.
Yes, he did, definitely. A wry smile there.
With a strong mind and mental fortitude, you can succeed in anything you set out to do in life.
9.
Efren. Extreme check side on the cue ball to bring himself back for the 2 in the same box.
Let us proceed to rack 9. I am leading 5 racks to 3 at this point.
Work in the white.
Too far, Sid, I think. Yeah.
Cutting half inches.
Problem.
I was a bit careless here and end up in a poor position on the 3 ball, which led to a missed shot.
With rubber gloves on, it's so hot. It's audience stars of world sport. It's a unique combination. Look, went from the discipline of snooker.
Let's see if the 6-time snooker champion can capitalize on this opportunity.
And the crowd's awareness of it. slows. As in when he gets to the 9, which is looking pretty soon.
Top draw clearance this. Great 4-ball. Under extreme pressure.
One of my greatest strengths was the ability to not ease up, and I think that was probably where I was able to slaughter people.
Zone break. A tremendous break there.
We've now reached rack 10, and this is shaping up to be a really interesting one. Pool fans, stay tuned to see what happens next.
He's got the combination, he knows it. Slightly hampered here.
With his skill at the swerve, you'd say it was odds on he'll get it.
That's it. Well,
I executed a mass shot, curving the cue ball around to pocket both the 2 and the 8.
Looking lovely on the orange.
at 5-5.
It would have been much easier if the 2 ball hadn't gone in, as I missed the long shot on the 4 ball here.
Just tops through to the bottom cushion.
I'm truly impressed with Steve Davis here, as he's managed to even the match at 5 racks each. I need to adjust my strategy and mentality for the upcoming racks. Let us continue now in rack 11. I made changes to my break shot here, and now fortunately the balls are in my favor after the break. This is an open table layout, and I hope this continues for the rest of the game.
Perfect position.
Oh, the sort of money Efren makes on a piece of gold thread.
In 2001, I won 7 major pool titles, with the most notable being the Tokyo Open 9-ball championships and the Masters 9-ball championships.
Now Davis has replied.
And is Efren looking at this? Bottom rail. I think he is. 2 onto the black 8. He'll be trying here. Well, bonus.
In this rack, I was fortunate to pocket an object ball after kicking the 2 ball.
I think it's fair to say that's it. Very delicate shot he's played.
Davis in his first trails at the moment.
A lot is happening in this match, so keep tuning in.
Consequently, overcooked.
We now continue in the same rack where Davis is on the table.
Well, no, he ran on, he didn't want that.
Leave that in the top corner.
And he cruised. Long.
Tremendous pot there.
He makes a really good long shot on the 7 ball, but watch closely to see what happens with the 8 ball in this situation.
To be got by topping it through.
Yeah, he had to play that, Sid. That was a shot to nothing, in effect.
I knew he went for a 2-way shot here. The cross, corner, bank shot, but with an element of safety. But I knew what I have to do in this situation.
You reckon bottom right. Bottom left. Anywhere he likes. Well, he couldn't quite see. Shot. It's for 7-5.
Now that's how you win matches, my pool fans. If you know what to do, go for it, despite the risk. A big reward is always waiting for those bold enough to take the shot.
But he should still make this ball.
We now proceed to rack 13.
Here maybe ring through it. Yep, 2 rails he's tried.
Well, extreme draw. He was prepared to move that ball 9 feet.
It was unexpected that Steve Davis missed the 4-ball here, so I need to capitalize on this opportunity and get closer to the hill.
He's looking to bring it off that cush, and that one about. Look at the incoming angle.
Just where he wanted it.
Pool fans, if you think I'm the greatest pool player of all time, click the like button to show your support. Thanks.
Stone deadly tight.
I was able to compose myself, and now I'm on the hill with an 8-5 lead. This will definitely put more pressure on my opponent.
Pushing across the table.
Let us now proceed to rack 14. Davis decides to push out.
Put back in. Yes, Sid.
Do you really mean a bank here?
Look at that for accuracy.
Both Davis and I are about to engage in a tactical safety battle in this rack. Watch closely and learn from this.
Playing the edge of this 2. He needs to get safe.
Pool is like chess. Mental intelligence is key, and executing the right shots is what matters most.
Two-headed dragon, Steve Davis, trying might and main to keep this man at bay. Remember, take this racket to champ. Likes that! Most emotion you'll see coming from him.
Well, maybe I get lucky.
Chuffed, or whatever they assume, that Steve Davis is engaged in a battle of snooker with Reyes.
But, as I always say, no matter how skilled you are, without a bit of luck, winning can still be very difficult.
Beautiful, 90.
3 into the middle. Side, bottom, side.
Luck is part of the game, and I believe it favors the hardworking player. If it's meant to be, nothing can stop you from winning.
You don't need to be mid in this particular route.
If you truly believe in what you're doing, just go for it.
As the magician,
You'll never know what you're capable of if you don't try. So take the plunge and win, no matter what it is.
8 ball into the same pocket. Effectively title ball, that.
you said it, Andy. Look, man, too much. Our champ, Efren Reyes.
I felt incredibly happy and fortunate to have won this match against the 6-time snooker world champion and legend Steve Davis with a score of 9-5. This was my first time securing this title, and I was lucky to also win the World Pool League title the following year in 2002. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Dear pool fans, I thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching and supporting me all the way. I love you all, and may God bless you in your games and chosen sports.